low float stock. Lots of potential to the upside. Watching SMFL as one of my top stocks for today. Right, so let's go ahead and just readjust that watch list. SMFL, you guys know why it's one of my top stocks. Okay, what the
and actually get our day going. So go ahead, let's go ahead and cover our watch list. Honestly, I do want to keep, that would have been a great add-on right there at 66 cents. But you know, just I don't really trust this. I mean, there's not a lot of volume. It popped it over. I mean, where are those sellers? Where are the sellers? So let's see if this can actually pull back, maybe flag for a little bit, and then we're going to see it actually start to continue to take off. Because look at how little that volume is compared. I really don't think that there's enough volume there. Keep this up above that previous high. Again, the market is random. Anything can happen. So you got to keep an open mind. But still, and really nothing, I don't see anything else on our watch list that's moving besides SMFL. So this is what we're going to keep on watch. We are pulling back. Let's see if we can get a nice decreasing volume pullback. Excuse me, guys, go ahead and hit the follow button. We're doing a series. I'm trying to figure out what kind of series I want to do next. But, you know, I'm looking to do a couple different series here in the next coming weeks. FSTX, I don't like. SMFL has an 18.4 million float with around a 10x relative volume. So this is very, very good. This is a very, very good play to watch. Got to be careful here. Let's see if this can start to get up. I mean, I don't really like it at the moment, increasing volume. If we crack, yep, there's the crack lower. Let's see if it was just coming down to liquidate people. If it is, I might catch the room up for 276 possibly. Looking for room all the way up to 82 cents. A high. Let's, excuse me. I will be right back. I'm gonna use the restroom. All right, let's see if this is going to get back up and get that hype over 71 cents. Again, trading's boring, trading's risky. So as always, remember to have very good risk management. Now let's go ahead and go over some rules and just some core ideas. First of all, you have to remember that trading, you have to believe you are consistent. So I am consistent, but you also have to remember that everything is random. Everything is random because there's so many different value or things that could affect the certain market. One person could decide to sell, and it messes up the whole trade. You never want to risk more than 3% because of the fact that it's random, and it's okay not to trade cash as a position. Always use a hard stop. Again, day trading is all about managing your risk. I will have 3 reasons to jump into any singular trade. I will have a consistent position size with never risking more than 2 to 3%. You will have losing streaks. Trading is a business. Take every trade seriously because it will be in your trade book or trade log. And only trade strong trends that validate with volume. I'm watching SMFL currently. Oh, excuse me. All right, guys, we have 14 minutes left till markets open. I'm gonna slide you to the left a little bit. Now I'll go ahead and expand this so you guys can see better, have a better. Oh, yeah, that's. All right, we could be getting the pop here from over SMFL. I'm gonna just sit on my hands right out of the gate, or at this moment. And I'm not looking to take anything at the moment. Just sitting on my hands, waiting for a good opportunity. Right now, I'm not seeing anything good. In pre-market, we did have SMFL going a little run here, but again, not really looking. We pulled back and gave most of it back before kind of consolidating. It looks like we are kind of just getting ready to break lower. Excuse me. There's the break lower. Remember, this thing has a super low float. Let's see if volume starts to come in and we see that buying pressure start to build up and possibly break over that. Never mind, it just broke that previous candle low. There's no buyers whatsoever in this at the moment. We got to play it patiently here. EEV, their new is replacing S or FSTX. We have a nice pivot low here. Possibly room up to 840, but I'm gonna play it safe and not really take anything at the moment. Over 840, room to 9. What's going on, or FMFL? There it is, getting some possible inside candle here on the 1 minute. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's going to be a lot of opportunity. Josh hit that on the head. There's not going to be a lot of opportunity in the market. Thank you for the follow, guys. If you could like the stream, let's get to 500 likes. I know we can. I like SMFL. I believe SMFL probably has the most towards acquisition this week. I think we're going to see SMFL absolutely rip to the upside. Sorry, if you guys see me do that, I'm just stretching out my lower back. Oh, I know I'm an old man. Let's see where my trader friend is. All right. Here we go. Let's see volume. Volume starting to come in now on the 5 minute. Oh, never mind. Sorry, I was reading that wrong. We have 7 minutes left until market open. We're going to see what's going on, find the best opportunity and, just make overall great trades. We're not in the market to make money. We are in the market to make very good trades. If you make bad trades, then, excuse me, sorry. Tech for Beginners, good morning, good morning. Thank you for stopping in. Not a lot of opportunity in the market so far. We had a nice pop with SMFL, but just wasn't able to get in there, so unfortunate, but I do think SMFL has the most opportunity in my opinion. On the day, I really think we have room to fill the gap at 90 or 88 cents. Oh, there's the pop from SMFL. Let's see if this can kind of this looks like a flag. We broke above the high. I want to see a pullback. A good support right now is down around 60 cents. I do want to possibly, I think I might go in with half my position if we do get another pullback into a double bottom. I want to see a nice bounce, maybe possibly a nice inverse head and shoulders pattern on the 1 minute SMFL. Possibly looking for the washout long down to the break of the high. So I'm looking for that from SMFL. The short float for REV is 50%. People are shorting it. They're getting liquidated. Let's see a nice pause in the move before absolutely ripping for REV. How about RDHL? I'm not really, I don't like that we didn't, I'm not a huge fan that we broke this trend line with like absolutely no buying demand. So I'm not confident in it yet. I want to see that first move. Again, really this applies to every one of these stocks. I want to see that first move, explosive move, so I can get confirmation that there is buying pressure there. I mean, SMFL just likes to pump and then give everything back, or a lot back. We saw it here. Pump, I mean, yeah, like that's what stocks do, but we absolutely ripped up and then washed it out all the way back down, pump up, and then give everything back. So this likes to fake a lot of people out. So we got to keep that in mind on SMFL if we ever look to take a trade on this. I mean, it could be a cup and handle. It's not the cleanest cup and handle. We did pull back to that 50% level. Let's see what happens right out of the gate. I mean, if we do crack, I mean, next target would be around 82 cents. You can get 82 cents. That would be amazing. We do have REV starting to move now. Oh, that's PEV. I want REV. Yep, there it is. Just moved 30 cents. Wait for the pullback. I think this is room up to like $9 to $10 today. Ooh, this thing is ripping. Oh, Stir, how you doing? Thank you for stopping in. Thank you for commenting. I mean, I'm not really a huge fan of anything at the moment. PEV, I think I'm going to sit my hands out right out of the gate. Not a huge fan of the potential profit and the potential. I mean, honestly, I might be looking for the potential profit on PEV. Let's see a washout out to this level. Wash out maybe down to 732, looking for a nice scalp. If I can buy at 732, looking for room up to 835 with a nice strong pump from PEV. I'm buying this off a washout long, off VWAP, off the 9 EMA and the 5 minute. I like this flag. I like the pivot here. Let's see this. I don't like that we're starting to get rejected. We have 18 seconds left. Here we go, and we should be live. Keep SMFL on high watch and REV on high watch as well. SMFL dumping off. Let's see if we washed out down to... Ooh, look at that rug. Not the rug, but look at that pull. Pull back down to VWAP. I'm not a huge fan of it because of that explosive action. I didn't even see what was going on there. I didn't see there it was. Now we're starting to get absorbed, starting to get some buying pressure coming in. Let's see what's going on here with SMFL. See if this can actually get, we are pulled back to that 64 cent range. Let's see if this can actually start to absorb that selling pressure before continuing higher. Halt. There's already halted. Wow. Let's see if we can get this start to round. Might go in with 500. Looking for a bounce off 60 cents. Possibly we can catch 60 cents. That would be ideal. If this starts to close and continue to go higher, we're starting to see that buying pressure come in. Let's see if we can actually get a close and nice strong push up above VWAP. We did close below VWAP. Let's see if this can continue to, maybe start to slow down. I want to see volume start to come in with slower or lower spreads. Oh, very light volume on SMFL. I'm really looking for SMFL to break this trend line, as well as bounce off VWAP with a higher low. Oh, there's PEV ripping and running. I think SMFL is looking to break here soon, so I'm going to keep Man, that would have been a great washout long off of the halt level's at 850, so I don't think we're going to see it get halted. All right, let's see if we start getting some buying here. We have big sellers. See a possible red to green move. on SMFL on the 5-minute. So let's see a lot of volume come in over VWAP with a nice squeeze up to around 76 cents. Excuse me. Let's see if volume starts to come in here. See, nice inside candle. I don't want to see it just come up and retest VWAP. I want to see volume come in and break this over the trend line. Oh, excuse me, SIGA, new high a day. SMFL, I'm keeping it on high watch. PEV, it's also about to break. It looks like we're just coming up to retest. I mean, below 60 cents, I'm not going to take this at all. Oh, excuse me. REV, new low a day. PEV, about to cross a new high a day. New high a day of PEV. HTCI. Oh. Yo. Nothing much, nothing much. I haven't made a trade yet today. Yeah, here. I just sent it. While I'm watching SMFL, possibly for the downtrend break, I want to see volume start to come in here. I really don't want to trade this below 60 cents. SIGA looking pretty good. HTCI. I want to see SMFL start to get some volume with a nice high volume doji candle for the nice explosive move back up to 72 cents. PEV. Let's see, PEV is also one that we want to keep on high watch. Decreasing volume. Where's a support level? There's a support level at 790. $789 or there it is. SMFL going to continue, or EV looks like it's going to continue to push. We'll see. I really think SMFL has room. I really do believe SMFL. PEV absolutely moving. I wish I would have taken that washout long, but you know, I didn't really trust it. We got a new high. We're in price discovery mode for PEV. SMFL, I don't want to see it below 60. Because we might have to wait here. Okay, there's some volume coming in. Here's some volume coming in. At 60 cents. I like it. SFT. Kind of like it. MSPR. Okay, I like MSPR as well. Oh, SIGA up $1 from the open. You might like SFTF. Okay, it already broke. Never mind. That would have been a great opportunity. Yeah. That would have been, yeah, that was. I like SFTF or SFT. It did set up. I mean, it did. I just wasn't able to get it. Oh, now we're starting to come into some selling. SIGA now below VWAP. I think that's done for the day. That probably scared a lot of traders out. Man, PEV probably gonna get a new high a day here. PEV probably gonna get a new high a day. Never mind. It doesn't look like it coming into some selling. Watch it. Make sure it doesn't flip open. Yep, there it is. And cracked below 813. There it is. There was a great false move by PEV. PEV looks like it's done for the day. ADN. Done ADN. ADN is pumping up. You know, just giving it some time. I do want to see SMFL hold 60 cents. I don't know. For some reason, I have a hunch that SMFL will crack 74 cents today. Just have an itch. Here's another pullback, possibly looking for on. Oh no, I don't want to. SFT. What's the news? Don't see any news. Up 60%. What is SFT? I bet you it's a short squeeze. Yep, short float 23%. I really want to go in at 113, but like I really don't want to. Because we do have stopping volume on the 5-minute. Looks like we are. This is the push. It's gonna be a push right here, up to 19 cents. I'm watching SFT. Oh, Josh is short 100 shares of Tesla. Yeah, that's $69,000. Yeah, to short it. His price is at 696. Yeah, dude, he's very risky. With everyone watching them. Yeah, just doing that, and like he's been switching up. He's been trading. He's been missing a lot. People don't like watching him how he likes to trade, so he's kind of transitioning because he might be in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Hold on, I'm watching SFT for the possible move higher here. Increasing volume on a doji or possible doji. Oh, PEV. Deleting that off the watch list. Josh, oh, he had to cut it. He's getting liquidated now. Not liquidated. He's doing it himself. I can't see.
Oh,
Yeah. Or down. That's a good candle. He has a very good candle on his hands. Didn't close below the 90 MA or closed below the 90 MA. Let's see this start to wash out. I think it can still wash out. He has 100 shares. He knows it too. It's starting to look a little bit more bearish. Let's see it come on down. He has his price is at 697. Yes, he did. Almost $70,000 he has in this one trade. It has very light volume, Josh. You got to be careful here. Got to be careful. Very light volume. Don't cut it if you don't have to. It might crack over the previous high of that candle, and then it might wash out. Oh, there it is. That's what I was exactly. That's the exact move that I was looking for on this Tesla. It just looks less. Get the wash. Come on, get the confirmation, and then let's see the nice pivot high. And that's exactly what happened. We just had a washout below. Tesla looks like it's going to drop. He's saying that as well. Tesla's a lot of top wicks. Now we're below VWAP. I do think that we're going to see. I do think that this short is going to work out for him. MSPR's done. Damn. No, Josh, I know you're gonna. All All right, that's fair. I mean, fair enough. But look, you just have to be patient. It's going to continue to come down. No, Josh. He just locked everything. What? What a... Ah.
Wait, lock. Hell,
Yeah.
that sucks, dude. How is that
Does.
fair?
No, don't do that. Oh, I got in at 60, 60, 79. I'm in on...
Back.
Okay. All right, I'm looking to get SMFL here. Just entered in at 60, just under 61 cents. Let's see a nice pullback, and I'm gonna look to scale in with the rest of my position. Possibly looking for the break this downtrend, room up to 71 cents. I want to see a crack over VWAP and a nice squeeze. Yes, sir.
What'd you get?
SMFL. I'm in at 60.79.
Oh,
I'm only in with half my position, looking for it to have a double bottom or some other kind of confirmation, and then I'm going to take the rest, and I possibly might take another third, a little bit higher if I feel confident in the break of the trend line up to 72 cents. This position's already up 4%, but again, I only went in with half my position. Not the best.
me, dude.
Let's see a nice squeeze over VWAP. There's a nice push over VWAP. Let's see it get rejected off this trend line here. If we get rejected off this trend line, I might look to add or scale into this. Or once we get rejected and have a nice pullback. That volume, yep, there it is. Let's see it continue. I mean, we're up above VWAP. I like that we're testing it. Tesla, oh my god, Josh. I told you it looked bearish. You should have sold. What? He is probably. He's like, fuck. He came out profitable though. Yeah, he came out profitable, I believe. He scaled it. He averaged down. Or averaged up, I should say. I'm not too sure. Oh yeah, 16 bucks. I mean, look, SMFL is continuing to run. I'm up 6.5% on it, but I only used half my position, which is unfortunate. So I'm waiting for a pullback to scale in with the rest. Yeah, there's really nothing. I'm going to go ahead and sell some here and then look to scale in again on the pullback. Wanted to lock in those profits. There's only 14 bucks, but like, no, I still wanted to lock in. I can buy in at a better price. SFT, new high a day. ADN pulling back, having a slight pullback here. Well, let's see a pullback. I know you want to. I know you want to. You have that increasing volume doji candle. I know you want to pull back down to around 62. Oh, there's someone trying to buy 1,000 shares, or actually 100,000 shares. He's getting taken out at 63.44. Watch for the washout below 63.44. SMFL. There's gonna. I think it's gonna. Oh no, it's not. I don't even know what happened. Let's see. It's gonna take out that buyer. It looks like it is, at least. I forget now. I don't know what it was at. I'm gonna buy over. Look, I'm going long at 64.60. A little bit risky, but I saw the volume come in. We have a nice engulfing candle. I like that. I want to get confirmation here. There's a nice close. There, I'm in at 65 cents with 1,000 shares. I don't like that it's. Bought in just a little bit too early. Oh, yeah. I want to see it stay up at 64.94. There it is. There's the push. Ah. Let's see a push. Once we break over 66 cents, my stops are going to break even. If we do break over it. Let's see the 90 EMA cross the VWAP, and let's see that squeeze over the 50 SMA. Well, let's see. I know, I'm watching it right now. I want to see this push over. I want to see a push over 66 cents. I want to see a push up to 68. See a push up to 68. There's very light volume. Volume's not there. That's why I think I'm going to... Once we see a crack, I'm selling a quarter instantly. We'll see. Oh, here comes volume.
Yeah, baby. Bang, Cole.
There's some. Took half off the table. 750 left. I'm holding some. I'm holding some.
Oh my.
600 shares left. Ooh, yeah, baby. 500 shares left. I've hold. Yep, I'm holding some. I have 500, half my position. I'm gonna go and sell another 100 here. 400 shares left. We're starting to get 400 shares left. I'm waiting for a squeeze over 74. Waiting for a squeeze over 74. We're gonna have a pullback normally. Once we see a crack over the high, I'm gonna sell another 100 shares. I'm selling more here. 200 shares left. Didn't really see that pressure, that buying pressure. Let's see it continue to push. I have 20% of my position left. I'm getting out here. I already did. It's coming down. Woo! There it is.
Damn. Are you all out?
I'm all out.
Wait, dude. That was like 20%. Holy.
Yes, sir. Dude, what did I say?
Damn.
What did I say? I'm gonna find that clip. I just have an itch, an urge that SMFL is gonna.
You did.
I'm just. Oh shit! There it is. I'm out of capital too. So.
Oh, that was.
That was a great trade. Hey, this is why you need trader friends. You're like, hold some. I sold everything perfectly too. It just because the volume wasn't there over the pre-market high.
AXDX.
There it is, up $70 on that. I'm done for the day. Or actually 69.50. Woo! There it is. But what sucks is that I'm still trying to dig out of a hole from. No, 100%. I mean, 69.3. Yeah, I mean, if I didn't have that outlier trade on Thursday at the beginning of the month where I lost $300, if it was a normal loss, I would have been up around 8% this month. If I didn't have that outlier trade, which is unfortunate, but it happens. And I have a 66% win rate this month. Pretty good.
And it's all back down.
Oh my gosh.
Polished.
Woo! There it is, guys. All right, I'm ending the stream on TikTok. Do you use Thinkorswim? Yes, I do. Tech for beginners. Oh. Great job. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that was an absolute amazing trade. And it's going to continue to squeeze over the highs right here. SMFL. Let's see if it squeezes over 676. Watch level 2. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more trading days to try and get $69. I want to end this month profitable. I had a terrible Tech for beginners. I'm being totally transparent. Here's my P&L. This is this month. I had that bad outlier trade on Thursday. But again, I've been mostly killing it the rest of the week, the rest of the month. I'm still down because of it, but I'm looking to crawl back. Lost 20 amount of settled cash, just paper trading right now. Hey, paper trading's almost better new. Yeah, I'm out of settled cash as well. But I'm happy I was able to come out pretty well. Again, just being patient, finding those great setups. Yeah.
Like, guys are talking.
See them talking about this setup literally anytime it occurs. It's when it has a move up, there's like a wedge, it'll fall out or knife out of the wedge, and then it consolidates on the bottom. It looks like a head and shoulders right now, but it consolidates on the bottom and then it will pop to like probably 830s, maybe high day. Like, it happens so often.
Well, that's what happened with SMFL as well. We had a pop in pre-market, popped over it, and then immediately get rejected, pushed back down below the low before continuing higher. So if we look at P, it's a market maker move. So, I mean, here it's not as usually the market maker move is where you crack above the high and then wash back below. This one's not really like that, so I can't really
Like, do you want to see like soaking on the bottom or something? Like, I'm confused.
No, you just kind of keep it in mind. In my first inclination that I was about to get this big pop from SMFL was at 948. From there on, we had a nice, pretty strong move up the VWAP from SMFL. I sold there, wanted to lock in some profits. Saw the pullback and decided to scale in and caught the move higher. So you really just gotta have confidence in it, and you're not gonna catch it every time. Like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to catch a trade like that every single day.
Yeah.
Sometimes you forget it's that simple to just go back and look at prior successful months.
I think hopefully I'll be able to knock out my
3 successful months. Okay, look at those months.
I mean, I'm on a 6-day green streak, which is pretty cool.
That is nice.
Yeah.
Between those 2 to 3 months, is there anything that clearly stands out that you were doing those 2 to 3 months that you're not?
Dude, you can easily go green this month. 6 more days to make $70. You just did it in a day. You got it. That's all you.
Yeah, I think so as well.
A couple small tweaks and a couple small changes, and I'm great.
All you.
So again, if you feel